Hello everyone, welcome to DFCSR exam preparation course. So today we will see part 7 of your reasoning. Okay, so till now we complete 2 chapters, right? You have blood relation, you have coding decoding. So today we are starting with your third chapter, which will be your direction and test. So very important chapter for you again. Let me just adjust these things. Okay, so direction and distance. Okay, two things are there, which is your direction, in which we find the directions by angles and everything. Okay, lots of things are there, and the one is distance calculation. So the combination of this is your direction and distance test. Okay, so they will check whether you can do properly direction test or not, right? So in DFCCL, whether it is your SNT or whether it is your operation BD, okay, at least you can expect 1 to 2 questions here. Okay, one question means one question is fixed. Second will be depend on your luck basically, but one question is fixed. Okay, so here also we will discuss 3 types. Basically there are 4 to 5 types, but the rest of 2 types are for banking. Okay, not for you. So you have only 3 types. So from so let's start with your type 1, that is your basics of direction. First we will see direction today, and then tomorrow we will see distance. Okay, so let's start. See, so first thing you should know about directions, right? About direction you should compulsory know. So for that we have one simple diagram with you. Okay, this we will use throughout the chapter to discuss the questions. So this side, okay, this side is east, this side is north, this is your west, and this is your south. Okay, so first you need to comfortable with this, all the directions in top, north, down, south, then right is east, okay, and left is west, like this. So this thing, first thing you need to remember. Now here, okay, in between north and east, whatever the place is, like this or this or this, okay, we call it which direction? We will call it northeast direction. Okay, northeast direction, northeast. Similarly here between east and south, now here we can call it also east north. Okay, it is not like that just it we will call northeast, so we can call east north, depend on you. Okay, here also we will call it east south or southeast, because it is between south and east. Okay, simple, there is no hard science in that. South and west, so south and west, okay, or I can say west and south, and here I have north and west, so north and west or west and north. Clear till now? So these are the important things you should know. Now see, again I will draw the same diagram here. Now if I tell you what is the angle between, okay, north and east, what is the angle between north and east, then you will tell me this is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. Similarly between east and south, this is also 90 degree. Okay, only see this is also 90 degree. Here also it is 90 degree. Between south and west and north and west is your 90 degree. Clear? If I tell you what is the angle between west and east, okay, means this and this, so you will just, what you will do, either you will start from here or start from here. So 90 plus 90 means 180. Okay, 180 means 180 degree. When we call, then it is the opposite direction. Okay, 180 degree from east means up west, 180 degree from east means your west direction. Okay, similarly 180 degree from north, that is your 90 is your what? South. Okay, clear till now? Now see here, okay, our main diagram where extra directions are there. So here what we have basically, now this line I draw in middle. Okay, this line I draw in middle. So see, this is 45 and this is also 45. Okay, because we know total is 90, so this line is in middle, so that's why 45. Okay, it will divide. Suppose is it like this line, it is like this, see, like this. Okay, and this is this angle is now 10 degree. Okay, and rest of this angle which is big is your 80 degree. Okay, so your angle will change. Your angle will change depend on the question they will give, right? But the direction will be north, east only or east north only. Okay, and this will be applicable for all the directions. Clear till now? There is no problem, right? Okay. Okay, now the next thing is movements. Next thing is movements. How we will move, right? What are the things are there in to move? Suppose now I am looking at the screen. You are also looking at your computer screen or your mobile screen. Okay, you are watching this video now. So we will assume this is our north direction. Okay, this is our north direction. So for me, it is north direction, but you are looking at me. Okay, you are looking at me. So whatever right side is, suppose this is my right side. Okay, so this side will be your left side because you are looking at me. Okay, and I am assuming the reference is that I am looking in north direction. Okay, we are considering this. If I consider you are looking at north direction, then I am in south, opposite, right? I am in south. So right left will be different from you, for you also and for me also. Okay, so suppose now I will assume this is our north side. Okay, that is we are looking at screen, you are also looking at your screen. So this side is your right. Okay, this hand is your right and this hand is your left. First thing. Okay, now see, in movements basically the challenging part is this only, right and left. Okay, to identify right and left. So we will get comfortable with this first and then we will move further. Okay, so whenever there is a north, there is no problem basically because I am looking straight. This is my right hand is there and left hand is there. Okay, now if I tell you let's move in right direction, so I am moving right direction, so like this. Okay, now what is the arrow meaning? What is this arrow meaning? That I am facing in this side. Okay, if when I draw this arrow means I am facing in north side. Okay, this thing, this diagram you will always remember in your mind: north, east, south and west, right? So whenever I am looking, I am drawing this arrow. Okay, I am looking upward means I am looking in the north side because this is north side. See, now I move in right direction, so we are going like this, okay, and facing in now which direction? See, this is east. This is your east direction. Now what about your left and right? Right, this is the challenge. So see, now there are lots of ways are there basically. Means two ways are there. Okay, how you can remember? You can just carry on this left and right like this. See, okay, let me just extend this. So this left you can write here and this right you can write here. Simply just take them as it is like this. Okay, one way. This is your one way. Second way you can remember by your clock. Okay, clock. Now in clock basically we are having two direction. First is your clockwise direction. We are going like this. Okay, with clock, how your clock moves, you know, right? So this is called clockwise direction. And the second we have opposite of this, that is your anti-clockwise, like this, means clock is moving like this. Okay, anti-clockwise. So if you carefully observe, then what we are doing here, see, I go from north to east in the right direction, right? Means I am going like this. See, I draw this here arrow. Okay, and I know that this is my clockwise. So suppose like this I am drawing. So this is my clockwise only. So you can remember that whenever you need to move in the right direction, then it will be your clockwise. Okay, from here. Okay, now see, again we will change. This is left, this is right, this is north direction. Okay, now let's move to left side. So see, here it is left, we are moving. We are facing in which direction now? West. Right, see, west direction we are facing. This is means facing. Okay, now in this case what you will do, see, just carry on first way, right and left. Okay, now with the help of clock, if you want, then you can observe carefully that we move in left direction. So we are going like this. See, we are going like this. And if you consider this anti-clockwise, then it's like this, na, see, like this. So means left means anti-clockwise. Okay, two important observation from here you are getting. So you have two ways. Okay, it is very compulsory for you to get comfortable with this, because lots of candidates have confusion here only. This is the challenging part for lots of the candidates. Okay, so either you can just carry them like this, or you can use clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, right? Okay, now we will move in all the directions. See, so first what I did, I move from north to east. Now from east I want to move, suppose in left direction, like this. Okay, so this left and this right, okay. Now here again I want to move in, suppose left direction, so left, because you know this is left, right, so again left and right. Okay, I just using this, or you can use clockwise also, no problem. Now here I am using left. Means again down, because this is my left and this is my right. Okay, or again if you want left side, then left is your anti-clockwise. Okay, so move anti-clockwise means in this direction, so see, okay, like this. So this is very important for you. Okay, now one more observation is there for you. Suppose this is our north side. Okay, if I told you to move in right direction, so you are going in right. Okay, you are facing now east side, this is your right, definitely this is your left, and this is right, correct? Now suppose if I told you from this point, okay, carefully observe this, if I told you from this point go left, okay, now carefully observe, this is my right. Okay, you will get confused with this. So first this is my left, correct, this is my right. What I told you, to go in left direction, okay, to go in left direction. Then again from here I am taking right, okay, so right and left, clockwise, see, clockwise direction. Okay, and again from here we will take right, So if you carefully observe, we are again back at the starting point from where we start walking, right? We are starting walking here, then from this point we took the turn, then from again this point we took the turn, and here also we took the turn. What we did basically, first we move in the right direction, then we move also in the right direction, then also we move in right direction. Okay, so 3 times I move in right direction, So this is first observation for you, that whenever there are 3 times we are moving in right direction, we are again going in this direction, okay, at the starting point. And from here suppose again I am taking right direction, fourth one basically, which is our fourth one. So again I am back to this point, which is our suppose starting point, because from here we take turn, na? So starting point with reference to turn basically, okay, not for walking, just we take the turn. So whenever we are having 4R, that is 4 right, then again you are come back to this. Okay, now in terms of angle, how I can write this? In terms of angle, see, similarly for left, okay, whenever there are 4 left, then there you will get again to your starting point. Now let's take the angle point of view. See, unless and until mentioned, okay, you will always move 90 degree. First thing, you will always move 90 degree unless and until mentioned in the question. They will mention whether to move right 45 degree, whether to move left 135 degree, like that they will mention, okay. But they only tell you to move to right direction, then only you will do directly 90 degree. Suppose from north, this is our north, basically they are telling you to move right side, okay, right side is this, so you will directly move like this, okay. And now you are facing in which direction? East direction, okay. See, this is 90 degree, okay, like this. Similarly from east, if they told you to move to left direction, left means you are anti-clockwise, so just apply here anti-clockwise, so this is the left side, okay, this is the left side. So you are now in north direction, you are facing in north direction from east. I see 90 degree, clear from here. Now again, if I tell you to move right direction, okay, 4 times right we are checking na. So this one and again this one. So this and this. Again we are back to the same point, right? 4 times 9 means 360 degree you move. You move 360. See, 9 times 4 times 9. Okay, that is your 360. So whenever 4 rights are there, 360. 2 rights are there. Suppose 2 rights are there. 2 right means 199 degree means 2 right means 180 degree. So let's see where you take. So 1 right here and 1 right here. Okay. So you are facing in south direction. You know that whenever 180 degree is there, opposite direction is there. So definitely north opposite is south, clearly, right? Similarly for left also, concept is will be same. So in short, what I am trying to tell you that whenever 2 times you are moving in the right direction, then it is 180 degree. Okay. Simply without doing this, directly you can take 180 degree means opposite, north, south, east, west, clearly. Okay. So it will save your time. It will save your time. Second observation now, suppose you are moving in north direction. Okay. In north direction. Now you took left. Okay. LR. And from here you took right. Now here from took like, okay, this is right. And now you are facing in again north direction. See. So you are starting also in the north direction and again now you are in north direction. Means what happened? Okay, just clearly observe this. First we took left turn, right? And second we took right turn. Because this is left means anti-clockwise and right means clockwise. So definitely they will cancel each other. And because of this only you are now facing in same direction as before. Before you are moving facing in north direction and now only you can facing in north direction. So this is the important concept we are getting from here, that whenever there is a left right it will cancel. Okay. So suppose there is a left and right, then this will cancel. Directly you will move to left. Okay. Let's take the example and we will clearly understand this, because this is very important observation. Okay. Let's start with from north direction. So from north I am starting. Okay. First left. So left. Okay. Then again you can take left or I can take right. Okay. Just take alternate for our simplicity. So this is my left, this is my right, this is right. Okay. Then again left, then again right, then again left. Okay. Now carefully observe here what's happening. We are started from north direction. Okay. Because here I am facing in north. So I am starting from north direction. Now here at the end I am facing in west. This is west na? See? West side. Okay. Now suppose instead of doing all this, just I will directly cancel left right. Okay. And L is left. Left is left, L is left. Okay. So directly from the starting point I will move to north. Okay. I am starting from north and I will take left. So I will directly get west side. See. Okay. So redundancy is there. See. This is called redundancy. Okay. So whenever this we can use in the question like this. So this will save our time. Basically ultimate goal is to save our time and increase our accuracy, right? This we want. Okay. So I hope this concept is clear from this example. Okay. Properly make notes of each and everything, because this is very important. And now again, I think all the things we will discuss already. Okay. Suppose we are moving again in north. Okay. From here I am going now in south, or take northeast. Okay. I am going in this side. So I will draw like this. Okay. Clear? So this is my left, this is my right, this is my left, and this is my right. Okay. From suppose here, from this northeast, I want to go in southeast like this. So obviously this is 45, this is 45, total 90. So you will move 90 like this. Okay. This is your left and this is right. So from here, if you want to take left in the straight direction, then it will be like this. Okay. Clear? So like this also you will get the questions. We will see the questions, then you definitely you will get a clear idea of it. in terms of clockwise and anti-clockwise also, if I want to tell you that, see, this is my north direction, okay, move to right, so you will move clockwise, you will move clockwise like this. So like this means this is my east side, okay. If I want to move in left side means anti-clockwise, so like this is my west side, okay. So now let's start our questions to understand each and everything what we learned now, okay. See, first question. So read the first question. A man starts from a point and walks 2 km towards north, turns towards his right and walks 2 km, turns right again and walk. What is the direction now he is facing? Okay. Now see, in exam hall basically, what you will do whenever you will get direction question in front of your eyes, okay, just look at the options, okay. In 1 microsecond you can see the options, right? So check in the option that whether the distance is required or not, because here it is given na 2 km. So in distance type, okay, which is your type second, we will calculate this, but here we don't require distance, we just require direction, okay, we just require direction. So this data is no use for us now for this type, okay. How you will get that? Just by observing the options. Here it is not na 4 km, 6 km is there, no, just they want direction, south, southeast, north, west, okay. First always you will do in exam hall whenever you will get a direction question, okay. Make habit, okay. Now what is given, see, we will approach this question, okay, in multiple ways so that our concept will get clear again. A man starts from a point. Now which point they didn't give, so any point you can assume, okay. And in the back of your mind, I want this diagram always, okay. So take this point, suppose, okay. Basic approach, first is basic approach. A man starts from a point and walks 2 km towards north, okay. I don't care about 2, but still if you want, then I will write here 2 km. For this type we don't require, already I told you. So we are going in north direction. Then from north he turns toward his right, okay. Facing is in north, right means clockwise, so either clockwise this direction or directly left right, so like this. Now he is facing in east direction, and here again he take right, so this is left right, so again he taking right, okay, and walks. What is the direction he is facing? So definitely he is facing now south. See, this and this matching, so south, so answer is south, okay. First approach. Second approach, now what I have here, see, I have 1 right and 2 right, okay. 2 right means what? 2 right means what? 2 into 90 degree, okay. In terms of angle now we are calculating, so we are getting 180 degree, means simply opposite of north, because from here only we start a turn, from where we start the turns, from here, so definitely opposite is south. Clearly answer is south, okay, like this. So like this also you can do, okay. Then in terms of if you want clockwise, anti-clockwise, so right means clockwise, okay, means clockwise, again right means clockwise, so this is what direction? This is south, okay. So 3 ways are there, in 2 only, but still I consider 3, okay. Like this you can find the answers. So now we will move to question number 2. Mohan starts from point A and walks 1 km towards south, turns left and walks 1 km, then he turns left again and walks 1 km. Now he is facing east, west, north, south, west. So again I don't require their distance, I just care about direction, right? So see how we can solve this question. So Mohan starts from point A, okay, suppose point A is here, and walks 1 km towards south, so he is basically walking towards south, okay, walking towards south. So 1 left is there, okay, again the next left is there, so 2 left means opposite, so opposite of south is north, answer north, okay, answer north. If you want you can try by basic method also, like starts from south na, so he is moving south, okay, then he is turn left. Now see, if I am looking in front of you, then my left this and right this, okay, but it is opposite, so definitely left is opposite, so this is my left. Again from here left, so again see, okay, wait, okay, so sorry, from here left is, because this is your right na, so left is this, left, right. Okay, so again I am in north direction, I am facing north direction. So like this you can solve the questions. Now see the third question. Kamu walks 5 kilometers straight from her house towards west, then turns right and walks 3 kilometers. Thereafter she takes left and again walk 2 kilometers. Further she turn left and walk 3 kilometers. Finally she turn right, again right, and walk 3 kilometers. In what direction she is now? From her house. Very important statement. Okay, just don't we want direction now, we are comparing, or the house is a reference. So from house we need to look at in which direction Kamu is. Very important. Okay, this again very important. So again in exam hall, just take care of this, the last statement always. Okay, options are just direction. So I want direction, I don't want this 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer. Okay, not required actually. So let's start with now question. So directly how can do? Kamu walks 5 kilometers straight from her house towards west. So suppose this is Kamu's house, okay, and she is going in west direction. So from west she is taking first right, then again she is taking left, again she is taking left, okay, and finally she turn right. She turn right. So this cancel, this cancel, this cancel, this cancel. In what direction she is now from the house? So east. Okay, so no, not east basically, because Kamu is walking straight from house towards west. So suppose this is house and she is walking towards west. Okay, the answer will be west. The answer will be west. Okay, so in hurry, always take care of this, because all the right and left are cancelled. You can approach our traditional method also. Okay, just follow this instruction, draw the diagram, you will get the same answer. But here we have shortcut, so definitely we will use. Okay, so in minimum I guess 30 to 40 seconds hardly it will take to give the answers for these questions. Okay, fourth question. Gopal started walking 2 kilometers straight from his house school. Then he turned right and walked 1 kilometer. Again he turned right and walked 1 kilometer to reach his house. If his house is southeast from his school, then in which direction did Gopal start walking from the school? Okay, now see, if you carefully observe this question, this is very important question, so just put star mark here, because okay, difference is there. Now here the starting direction is not given. Earlier in the three questions, we starting direction is there. Kamu start walking in west direction, like that. Okay, like this given. But here it is given Gopal started walking 2 kilometers straight from his school. Okay, from his school in which direction? We don't know. First point. And here it is given me the ending, that is destination. Means we can assume that Gopal is coming from school to house. Okay, and his house is in southeast direction. So basically here somewhere Gopal's house is there, right? So we need to find then in which direction did Gopal start walking from the school so that he can reach to house. This we need to find. So we need to find this point, right? We need to find this point. Okay, now how to approach such questions? Carefully observe this, very important. Before coming to the question, okay, let's take one example. Suppose you are going to home to your market. Okay, suppose you are going from home to market to purchase something daily, not daily, weekly, because of COVID. Okay, so suppose that I will tell you now direction how you are going. So first you move in south. Okay, then you go straight, and again you go to north, where is your market. Okay, so what directions you took? First you move to south, then straight, then you are facing to north, and you finally reach to the market. Now carefully observe this. You want to go back from this market to your house. How you will go? From market to house. Now see, so this is my market and this is house. Okay, so again one way is there. Okay, only one way is there. There is no shortcut. Okay, don't consider this shortcut. There is no shortcut, only one way. This is the one way. So you will first go in south direction, then you will go straight, and then you will go to north direction, and finally you will reach to your home. Okay, let's observe here now, very important things here. Okay, from home to market, first we move in south direction, but here from market to house we move in north direction. Just carefully observe this. Okay, this is a straight line. Here also the path is straight. Okay, the road is straight obviously. Then here we move in north direction, but here we move in south direction. So from here, if you observe, then from home to market, south, okay, south straight line, and north. From market to house, it becomes opposite. That is, south becomes north, north becomes south. Straight line, obviously straight road will be straight. Okay, there is no option in that. So very important observation, that whenever you are going from home to market, okay, the direction is like this, and whenever you are coming back, that is on the return journey, on the return journey, the directions will get opposite. The same concept we are using now here. Okay, the same concept we will use now here. So again, I will give you two approach to solve the question. This type of questions basically where you have destination direction but you don't have starting direction. Okay, so this is the type for this. So just note down this type and you can write this question. Okay, so that for revision, quick revision whenever your exam is there. Okay, so let's see first. See, suppose again here now starting point is not, okay, is not given. So we will assume that suppose this is my school, means Gopal school. Okay, so Gopal starts walking straight. So first Gopal is going straight like this in the north direction we are assuming, and then he took right turn here. See, he turned right. Again walked, again he turned right. So again he turned right and walked 1 kilometer to reach his house. Okay, so again he turned right and walked 1 kilometer, and here Gopal's house is there. Gopal's house is there. Now, as per our assumption, the Gopal's house is in south direction, see, facing. Okay, always our diagram should be there with us: north, south, west, and east. So it is facing downward, means south side. But in the question it is given that his house is in southeast. Okay, means our assumption is wrong. Fix, right? So his house, Gopal's house, is somewhere here, southeast direction. Okay, if you carefully observe that from south, if we go in anti-clockwise, not clockwise, anti-clockwise, then we will reach southeast, because we got south now. Then we need to go from south to southeast. Okay, so we need to move anti-clockwise, first point. Second point, how much angle? 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree. So means if I am moving here, okay, if I am moving here, then definitely I need to move here also. Okay, how much movement I want? 45 degree anti-clockwise. So from north, okay, if you are going anti-clockwise, so just like this, and how much? 45 degree. So we are now in northwest. So this should be northwest. Okay, and Gopal first walked straight and then he took right. So suppose here Gopal is walking like this. Okay, this is your left and right, and then he took right turn. So Gopal is like this. Okay, so means Gopal is starting from west direction. Gopal is starting from west direction. This is your answer. So that this direction like this. This is the first approach. Okay. Now those who feel complicated, okay, second approach we have. Don't worry about that. So again, right left wala approach. So what we have, see, was first right. Okay, then again right. Then okay, got. So two rights. Okay. Now here, what example I told you. Okay, just earlier, that home to market wala, right? In that, whenever you are going from home to market and you are coming back, all the things get opposite, irrespective of straight path. Okay, so here also your right become left and left become right. If there is left, then it will become right, and if there is right, which is there, it will become left. So we have now two left. Okay, now what we will do? Same. What we will do? We will go from house to school. Okay, same road will be there. Suppose we are going from house to school. We will start our journey from southeast direction now. Okay, and we are going to school. So then definitely we will get in which direction school is there. Then Gopal, after his I can say chutti, then he can back to his home. Okay, so two left means what? 180 degree. Okay, two left means what? 90 degree, 90, 180. So I know that if southeast direction is this, then 180 means opposite. So this is my opposite direction, which is my northwest. Okay, northwest, and he is moving straight. See, Gopal is moving from straight his school. So straight will be like this, and then he took right. So definitely answer will be west again. Okay, definitely answer will be west again. So like this also you can do, there is no issue. Okay, so two concepts will be there. Either you can use first one or second one. I will prefer second one because this is very easier for us, that's why. Okay, so this is the question number 4. Then again we will start with question number 5. Okay, from her home, Prerna wishes to go school. From home she goes towards north, then she turns left, then she turns right, and finally she turns left and reaches school. In which direction her school is situated? Okay, situated with respect to her home. So now the reference point is home, and from home you need to compare in which direction. Okay, I will solve this question from you. Say, from home she goes towards north. Okay, suppose this is home and she is going in north direction. Then she turns left, means this direction, then turns right. Okay, so if this is my left and this is right, so again she's turned right, so like this. Okay, and finally she turns again left and reaches school. So here is school. So in which direction school is with respect to home? So see, what in this in such cases where you have this statement, what you need to do, just from home look in the school. Okay, from home look in the school. So if I look school from home, then it is like this, in this direction. Okay, and what is the direction? Draw a reference diagram, north, south, west. So definitely I have here in northwest, so my answer will be clearly northwest. Okay, from house we are comparing. So like this you need to solve the question whenever we need to check the direction with respect to something. Okay, now see this question. From starting point, a person travels 3 km towards east and turns left and travels 4 km. Then again he turns to left by 45 degree. Now here angle is given, and moves straight. Which direction is facing now? Okay, in which direction the person is facing now? So from a point, a person travels 3 km toward east, so he is going towards east, then turns left. So I know that this is my left and this is right. Okay, turns left and travels 4 km. Then again he turns left, means again he's turned left but by 45 degrees. So from this point I want 45, means here, and move straight. So which direction is facing now? So definitely north east. Okay, answer is A. Clearly easy, because this is 45 degree. Okay, we need to move left, not by 90 degree. If 90 degree, if this is not there, then definitely answer will be north, right? Because this is 90 degree, but we want 45, so I move in 45 degree. Okay, so answer will be this. Okay, see the 7th question. After walking 200 meter, I turn right and covered a distance of 100 meter, then turn left and cover a distance of 300 meters. In the end I am facing towards north. From which direction did I start my journey? Okay, now see, again here it is given in the end I am facing towards north. Okay, means ending direction is given but starting is not. So from which direction did I start? So similar question as for question number 4. So just pause this video, try this question by yourself, and then check the answer. Okay, see now what I can do here. First I will use our right left approach, which is shortcut. I turn right, cover distance. Okay, then again turn left, then in the end I am facing toward north. Okay, so only this thing is there, this is cancelled. So in the end, if I am facing towards north, then definitely I need to start my journey from south, right? From south I will start, so that I can reach towards north. So answer will be south, clearly, no tension, right? Let's take our first approach, that is assumption approach. I am assuming that I am going like this. Okay, north, then I turn right, cover distance something, then turn left. From here I turn left and cover distance of 300 meter. In the end I am facing north. Yes, see, I am facing north, so our assumption is correct, and we are starting from south. Okay, from south we are moving and we got the north, which is our end direction. So directly my answer is south. In assumption also we got the answer. Okay, and second approach also we got the answer. Okay, now question number 8 is what? See, again the same type, that we have ending direction which is south, but starting we don't have, right? Now what we can do, see, again your right left wala approach. Pause the video, try this question by yourself and then check the answer. So first left, then cover distance, then turn right. Okay, then again in the end he was moving towards south, so definitely again we have only left and right, which will get cancelled. And in the end, if he was moving towards south like this, so definitely he will start from north, then only he will reach south na? So answer is north. Okay, very easy questions, just use this method second. Or if you want assumption, then see, let's start from north, then we take left, okay, then again we will take right, so here, and in the end he was moving towards south, so see our again our assumption is correct, so we are starting from north, we are started from north, so that's why answer is north. Clearly, right? So these are the today's 8 questions. So with this we covered type 1 of your direction, type 1 of your direction. In this type also, type 1 also, we saw 2 types basically. Okay, in first what we saw, we have starting direction but we don't have ending. In second what we saw, we have ending direction but we don't have starting. Okay, clearly this, before exam just revise this 8 question and your job is done, your job is done. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow. Now tomorrow we will have the class of reasoning, okay, and your economics class I will again resume, don't worry, few things are there, okay, just 2 to 3 parts more we want, then we will move to marketing. Okay, okay, so have any query, have any doubt, definitely comment down below, solve the question which is I am giving as a homework. Okay, today I think I don't give you as a homework, okay, fine, just join our Telegram group, okay, because in the night I guess I will upload the PDF of our further planning, further 3 to 4 days plan I will upload directly, so compulsory join the Telegram group. Okay, I will meet you tomorrow, so till then take care of yourself and keep compulsory study. Okay, all the best.